Hi, let's look at this interesting trigonometry question over here. We are given that A and B are two kites that are 50 meters above the ground PQ. Given that PA is 67 meters and PB is 84 meters, find the distance between A and B. Okay, so this distance. So let's call this distance D over here. Now we can see that the uh, angle PQB is 90 degrees, correct? And since both A and B are both at the exact same height, if I were to extend a line from A down to the ground, then this angle would also be 90 degrees. Okay, that means we now have two right angle triangles, and let me call this point R. Okay, so with two right angle triangles with this height also being 50, now we can use Pythagoras theorem to find x, okay, which is the distance between P and R, and using the same Pythagoras theorem we can find the distance y, which is between P and Q. Okay, and once we find both these distances, we can say that the distance between A and B, which is D, is given as y minus x. So let's proceed to find x and y. So we can say that x square plus 50 square is equals to 67 square. So x square is equals to 67 square minus 50 square. X square is 1989. So x is 44.598. Okay. Similarly, we can do the same thing for y. So y square plus 50 square is equals to 84 square. So y square is equals to 84 square minus 50 square. So y square is 4556 and y will be equals to 67.498. So putting x and y over here, we get d as 67.498 subtract 44.598, and you get the final answer as 22.9 meters. You may round off to 23 meters. So that is the final answer here for this question. Alright, so as you can see, as long as you can get past that first stage, which is to observe the two right angle triangles over here, then the rest becomes easy. It's just the application of Pythagoras theorem. Alright, so the important thing is that first step to understand and analyze the information given to see where you can apply your theorems to find the missing elements. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you. Bye.